Today's Tips du Jour mailbag question comes to us from Oregon. Robert, as a repair tech, I find myself fixing loose wiring and broken solder joints on jacks due to people trying to tighten the nut, but at the same time the jack inside the guitar is moving, which leads to the broken wires and solder joints. Have you heard about the tool called Jack the Gripper? It solves this problem, and I think others could benefit by using it. Thank you for your videos. I'm a longtime fan, Richard in Oregon. The tool that Richard is referring to, Jack the Gripper, was invented by renowned guitar tech Frank Ford out in California. It's a fantastic little tool. You insert it into the jack. It securely holds the jack from spinning on the inside of the instrument as you tighten the nut from the outside. It also works great on pedals and amplifiers as well. It allows you to tighten that nut without stressing the circuitry or the solder joint. In the heat of the moment, when you're jumping off amplifiers and playing the guitar behind your back, it's a bad time for that wire to break. So Jack the Gripper solves that problem. It's a highly recommended tool for both players and techs alike. So thank you for bringing it to my attention, Richard, and I hope others can benefit from this.